In this video, I'm going to show you how to refund games on Steam. The first thing you want to do is go over to the top left corner, click Steam, then click Settings. Once here on the right, you want to click Account Details. An alternative method of doing this is in the top right corner, clicking your name, and then scrolling down to Account Details. Once on this page, you need to click on View Purchase History, and then you'll be able to see all of your purchase history. From here, click on the item that you want to request a refund for, and then click on I would like a refund. At this point, it will also ask you whether you want any gameplay or technical issue fixes, but if you do not, just click I'd like to request a refund. On the next screen, depending on how you purchase the game, you may have a couple of options here, whether to refund to your wallet or to PayPal. Typically, refunding to your Steam wallet is a lot faster. It's also worth noting at this point that you need to have less than 2 hours gameplay on the game that you want to request a refund for, and the game must not be in your library longer than 14 days or 2 weeks. It's very difficult to get a refund if it has gone over that. Now, at the very bottom, you can choose why you're requesting a refund. Typically, I think if you're not refunding games constantly, it doesn't actually matter what you pick. So just pick whatever you think is the most applicable. And then all you need to do at the very bottom is submit request. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, please consider giving it a like, and I'll see you in the next one.